Hello, today I will be replacing a laptop screen for my Vaio. First we will start by removing the battery compartment. We need to unlock the tab, and there's the release button. Next, we will need to remove the memory compartment. We need to do that because there is a little screw inside this compartment that we will need to remove. So we'll go ahead and do that. The hard drive has one screw that's holding it in, so we will remove that. In order to remove the hard drive, you hold this black tab, you push it to the left, and pull it out. Now we will start removing all the screws that are on the back of this laptop. We'll start with the three screws that are shown in the battery compartment. There's 1, 2, 3. So now we are ready to take the bottom cover off. For me, it's easier to start from the RJ45 or the Ethernet slot. And just work your way around. Before you remove the screen, you'll need to unplug all the wiring from these locations. Start from the right corner. You need to remove this plug. Simply pull it up. This one, there's 2 little plug here. You can just pop that out as well. There's a little plastic piece that holds it together. You can just simply pull it apart. Now that you have the wire out, simply lift up the back end, and it should be able to slide out. After you're done, simply take the bezel out. To do so, you just find an opening edge and just pull it out. There is sticky tape along this big edge here, so to remove it, just simply peel it out first. The inside has screws at the bottom to hold the frames together, but instead of doing that, the frame actually will pop out just enough for you to unscrew the screws. There are 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3, to remove the screen. There's 3 on this side as well, 1, 2, and 3. Before removing the screen, check all the wiring that are stuck at the bottom here. There is a plug at the very top that needs to be taken out as well. Simply just pull it out. careful not to break this piece here. You have it. We will need parts from the old screen for these wiring. So just gently pull this out. With this particular area, there's a tape that you just simply pull out. And then pull down. It should come off like so. To put it on, we just do the opposite. Okay, so we got all this screw in. So now we just simply snap the battery back in. Let's give it a try. Yep, it works. There you have it.